Dear friends, we shall do some more problems on logarithm and stop this basic logarithm portions. I hope it's beneficial to you. The problem is a little long. 81 raised to 1 by log 9 to the base 5 plus 3 raised to 3 by log 3 to the by root 6. It is root 6. Okay, it's root 6. And root 7 raised to 2 by log 7 to the base 25. Minus 125 raised to 6 to the log 6 to the base 25. Each term will simplify and find out what is actually. The first term, that's 81 raised to 1 by log 9 by 9 to the power 25 is equal to 9 square raised to, see, log 5 to the base 9, that is 9 raised to 2 log 5 to the base 9 is equal to 9 raised to 25 to the base 9 is equal to 25. Okay. Second time is, the long, it's a very simple problem. 3 raised to 3 by log 3 to the base root 6 is nothing but 3 raised to 3 log root 6 to the base 3. So what will you get is 3 raised to log root 6 the whole cube to the base 3 is equal to root 6 the whole cube. Nothing but 6 root 6. Next, this one, this 2. Now let us see third one. What is how to simplify third one? We'll take a different color so it may be clear to you. Third one is root 7 raised to 2 by log third 2 by 2 by log 7 to the base 25 is nothing but 7 raised to 1 by 2 into log 25 to the base 7. That is 7 raised to 25 to the base 7 is equal to 25. Now the last one is much easier. Fourth one is this, is third one. The second one is the fourth one. Okay, board is very small, so I can help it. See, 125 raised to log 6 to the base 25. This we can write 5 cube raised to log 6 to the base 5 square. That is nothing but 5 raised to 3 by 2 log 6 to the base 5. That is 5 raised to log 5 log base 5 to the base 3 raised to 1 by 2. 3 by 2. 6 raised to 3 by 2. It is 6 raised to is nothing but it is 6 raised to 3 by 2. What is 6 raised to 3 by 2? I write here. 6 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 6 root 6. So this you got as 25. Okay, this 25. 1 is 25. 2 is got as 6 root 6. 2 is got it as 6 root 6. 3 is got again 25. 40 got as 6 root 6. 6 root 6. Okay. So we'll put the value there. We'll put the value there. What is the value? I'll finish of this board. It's very congested. Look, though it's very congested, I finish here itself. Right. This is 25. 25 minus 6 root 6. 25 plus 6 root 6 into 25 minus 6 root 6 is equal to 625 minus 36 into 6. 36 into 6. Simplify it, sir. 409. 409. Okay.